Hello, this is a demonstration of a touch interface for tree editing that I'm calling Tiramisu. I'm going to demonstrate by constructing a function that computes the Fibonacci sequence, and hopefully that'll give you a feel for the system. So we're going to start by defining a function. That function is going to be called fib, and fib is going to take one argument, which is n, and the body of the function we're going to just say is 1 for now. That'll work in the base case where n is 0 or n is 1. So let's wrap that in an if and add the condition that n is less than 2. All right, so when n is less than 2 is true, we can use 1. And so our definition is true so far, but we've got to add something in the false case. And that false case is going to be a recursive call to fib, and that recursive call is going to be of a fib n minus 1, so we'll put in n minus 1 here, fib of n minus 1. Good, and then actually we're going to make two calls to fib, and we'll add them together. So let's put in the sum here, and then do fib minus n2. All right, so there's fib n minus 1 and fib n minus 2. And those are the two conditions that, the two recursive calls that we need to make, and I think the structure is complete. So you can sort of see that the direct manipulation interface is so that we can take a node, drag it up to wrap it in a new parent node. You can take a node and drag it down to sort of collapse it into the previous node, which deletes it. We can take a node and drag it to the right to add a space for a sibling to the left, which we can delete. We can take a node and drag it to the left to add a sibling to the right, and tap a node to give it a name and enter text. And that gives us all sorts of abilities to construct general trees. We can use that in cases like this to write programs or expressions, and we can use it for more general tree editing purposes as well. So thank you for watching.